Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end and you guys do not miss on any of the profit that we make on regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. So when we were discussing this pair yesterday, market was trending over here and market has pretty much remained sideways, only testing our areas of marked supports and resistance. So now let us see that how much profit would we have made if we would have only followed our given scenarios. Okay, so first scenario that was followed was that when market tested our support and closed above this area. So let us take a long trade over here. Our stop loss will be approximately here and our take profit will be approximately here. So this trade would have given us a profit of approximately 4.3%. Afterwards, once again, when market tested our area of support, then once again market closed above our area of support and we would have taken another entry over here. Our stop loss will be over here and our take profit will be approximately here. So this trade would have given us a profit of 2.2%. And then afterwards market once again tested our area of support over here and over here. So if you would for example take an entry of buy, if you would enter over here then we would only hit a break even over here, but when you would take an entry of buy over here then we would make some good profit, approximately 1.9%, which is good. Okay, and afterwards as soon as market tested our area of resistance, and then you guys can clearly see that when a huge candle is formed we do not have much area to short this pair. So even if you would have shorted from here, our stop loss would have been over here just in case if you were following the short scenario. So our take profit would be only 0.8% in the first case, and in this case you would not take any trade, but we can take a trade of sell of if we would like from here, but no confirmation has happened till yet. So now let me move all the possible scenarios forward so you guys can easily do trading tomorrow as well. Okay, and if you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section and I will make sure to get back to you guys as soon as possible. So just meanwhile, these will be the scenarios to follow. Okay, so quite simply just follow these. Okay, so I am moving all these scenarios over here. So just you guys can have a better understanding that how we would be executing as market has remained sideways. So the same scenarios have been moved forward. So let me also move these areas of support and resistance forward as well. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today's video. If you guys want to know anything further, I am available in the comment section. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow with the fresh scenarios.